What's up? Today I'm going to just show you how you people on YouTube can make your own ringtone for your phone, mobile, anything really. So what you need is some songs that you want to get some stuff out of. Sorry, you just got like noise, just wiping the dust off my mic and stuff. Yeah, so you just need some songs, and you can use like a editing software. Like if you're on Mac, you probably use like iMovie and stuff, but because I'm Vista, Windows Movie Maker. Okay, so yeah, just open it up. Just blur, ignoring that. Yeah, so I need some songs obviously, so I'm just going to be importing my songs now once I find it. So if I find some songs I like, so there's like certain bits you like from the songs, so you can just import them, I guess. B.O.B. So I've got like this stuff like, hi, my name is Bob, let me know. I've got like John and Pools, anything else in there? Import more music, 2011. Quite like a little beat better to start from that one. Put that in. So I've got 4 songs here. So first of all, you just want to drag it down onto there. So then you want to edit it. So just my name is Bob, and I approve this method. So I will just want that bit. So now I'm going to go to it and split. And this I don't want to delete. So now split it here. Hi, my name is Bob, and I approve this method. So got that. So if I want chipmunk. Some people have to learn. Some people wait their turn. Some people. Oh, sorry. Some people have to fight. Some people give it up. Okay, so just go away. How do I get rid of that? I don't know. I guess. So now I found the I was born a champion bit. So now I'll play again. Okay, so now I'll delete that bit. So I've got my 2 bits there. So now I like the start of this song, so like so if I just split that then. Obviously this will be a quite good one, I guess. Split that. Split again. So I don't want that bit. Delete. Delete. I might just put that bit there. I should maybe add a chunk. So now if I play it back from the start. Hi, my name's Bob, and I approve this method. We are born a champion. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. So you know, I just made my own ringtone quickly there. Yeah, obviously you can make better ones. It's just in the time limit, I think it's 15 minutes, but it's all like 15 minutes just to say drag and drop songs and edit them really. Just yeah. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm not going to say that because I don't really like it. But thank you for watching. Liked it, can you subscribe? Obviously, because you know it helps me a lot. Click the like button as well. Yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye.